Alright, so I tightened up that chain so we can see how she runs. Wow, really good. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna be running pretty good. That's basically it. Tightened up the chain because it was clacking as you saw, and that's her running by herself there. So yeah.